Siya pa si Muno. That's fine. Reason? Why? Oy. Kanina pa ako kinuhuli. Knowledge. Nag-aral ako sa Bigyan Bali Victoria. Siguro close na yung principal. Ako din dyan. Kuya, say hi. Go on, go on. Go on, go. Yee! Say hi to the camera. We have enough knowledge. Start.
Regarding on the there's a lot of Filipino don't know about the computer. But if we're going to look at broad information regarding on the
Darby, di ka magbatra.
it's the easiest process. All you need to do is to go to your corresponding
Go, kuya, go.
precinct and go to the front of the screen and just point the candidate that you want or you want to vote for. And eventually, the ballot box goes out. You don't just push it. All you need to do is to point out
Go, kuya, go.
which one you want to vote for. So, regarding on the 25 million and the knowledge about computers, I guess it's a step-by-step procedure. As I said, it's the easiest type of computer knowledge.
Good job.
What if there are individuals who are not yet registered for the county election? So
Takambalimbing.
what will
Go, kuya.
what are going to do?
Record ko kami yung debate natin.
Not yet
Not that.
I didn't eat breakfast.
They do not know how to use the computer. So what they do is,
Not that knowledgeable. Go, Lai, go. Go. Uy! Dito ka! Ma'am, balimbing mo!
Sorry, you're not part of the Chubooks anymore.
that's why there are some government workers that are assigned every prison.
Princess? Go, Lai, go. Yeah. Ulit. 1, 2, 3. Uy, matatapos sa oras natin. O, bilis.
That's why there are some
Government employers.
to assist you in using the automated machine. And regarding the
Election.
the people
Who doesn't know how to use? Oh, adi wala.
that's not yet registered. The government has some scheduled barangay registration
Barangay?
to register. Just walk away.
Barangay.
Balimbing yan, ma'am. Hi. Yun. Salamat sa pag-discussion. Asa na basa sa bahay dito? Win. May klase siya, ma'am. You're so bad. Ayan. It's your turn to shine. Speaking in English. Water is good, but we need cash.
Not all of them are educated to learn to know how the automated election.
How does the automated?
Something like that.
Something like that? Ay, doon ka na.
Kasuyo na ako sa
Balimbing ka.
Hindi mo kami pinapalito. Kaya kami mga government employees kasi hindi lahat. Kasi yung makatanda.
Ikaw.
Kami na nagawin mo.
Like, ay, barangay.